pretty face, Dom, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am giving y'all all types of glitz and glamour in this video, yes. And if you are interested in this definitely check out my link down below. I will leave it. I have a review on this. This is the Outre Aiden. Yes, y'all better get into these wigs, honey. Okay. So today I have a little bit of a treat for you guys. So that way you guys can see into my eyes. I know that was real dramatic, y'all. But whatever. So today I'm going to bring you guys another gorgeous wig from the Magic Lace line. And this is Mlc 156. And I got her in the color number 2. And as you can see, this is a summer bob. I thought this would be super, super cute. And the model is wearing it in a blonde color. And of course, y'all, I got it in a number 2. So I'm just going to take this right on out of the box. Just like so. And as you can see, it comes straight out of the box. So as you can see, it basically comes with its standard hairnet over top of it. So I'm just going to take that. I'm going to just take all of it off. How about that? This wig is crazy. It's crazy, y'all. So this is hard lace. So ladies, definitely be protective about your edges and everything like that. It definitely have a soft yet yucky texture to it. This wig is super gorgeous. I can already see that. So yeah, I will be basically guys, I will be right back to show you guys exactly what the wig looks like right on my head out of the package. So this is what the wig looks like directly right out of the package. As you can see, I did not cut any of the lace. So this is what it looks like right from the side. I'm going to give you guys that. Okay, this wig is giving me all types of life. I cannot wait to look at it. Gorgeous, y'all. Gorgeous. Okay, so I will be right back with the wig directly on my head once I cut this lace, pluck the part inputs, and just do my little razzle-dazzle magic on this. Okay, so give me 1 second. I will be right back. This is what I call a summer vibe. Like, it's just super gorgeous. It's chic. It's edgy. And it's summer appropriate. Like, I absolutely love this wig. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. It came with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and, of course, with your adjustable strap. But it's so cute, y'all. Like, I love this thing. Like, I love this wig. So I did cut it just a tad. I basically cut it right across just so that way my eyes could be exposed. I really didn't want to walk around with, you know, my eyes being super blind. And I just thought it was cute. Now, I have it tucked behind my ear, so I'm just going to untuck it just to show you guys exactly how gorgeous this unit is. So, yes. This wig is bomb.com, y'all. Like, seriously. All I did was go in. I did not pluck it or anything. All I did was put my Pro Concealer powder right on the part. I just really didn't feel like plucking the part. It's really, like, no need to do it, to be honest. But that's my opinion. This wig is giving me all types of edgy, classy, just gorgeous. Like, this unit is so gorgeous. Ain't that what they call wigs nowadays? Units. But this wig is super, super adorable. Like, it's giving me sexy, older vibes. And I'm literally loving it. I just feel like this wig is super chic. It's elegant. It's classy. It's just all types of gorgeousness. So, let's get into the deets of this wig. Now, this wig has 2 combs in the front, right around the part of his face, and then it has a comb in the back. Now, for some of you ladies who don't really like this long part, you can always cut it, and then it'll look, hold on. It'll look something, it'll look just like this, which I thought would be super cute as well. I just never went in to cut it because I just wanted to show you guys exactly what it would look like. But it definitely looks cute when it's cut even shorter, like with this tail being cut. However, the whole bang, this whole part was super long. So all I did was basically just go in and cut it as an angle because I thought it was just too long, and I don't really like the whole Aaliyah look on me to where as though it covers my eyes, so I just wanted my face to open up some more. So you can always think about that as an option as well. I thought this wig, I didn't even have to adjust the adjustable straps, and looking at me, I know y'all know I got a little head. So I really didn't have to do anything. So I'm not sure exactly if it's big head friendly or not, but to me, it definitely adjusted to my head like that. So yes, if you guys are loving this wig just as much as I am, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Again, this is from the Magic Lace collection, and this is in the MLC 156, and I got her in the number 2. So again, loves, if you're like me and you're enjoying this gorgeous wig, definitely I will leave the link down below so that way you can purchase your own. And yes, unfortunately, that's all the time that I have for today. Thank you guys for stopping by to enjoy this wonderful video. And while you are here, don't forget to check out the rest of my other videos. So with that being said, don't be a stranger to my social media. I'll definitely leave the links down below. And of course, right here on the screen, I don't know where it's going to appear, either here or here, I don't know. But definitely follow your girl on Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram if you have one. But as always, guys, it's always a treat to be here with you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm a worldwide woman,